Welcome to IMG Worlds of Adventure.
We're Becky and Lloyd. We love travelling and exploring new places. We recently travelled to Dubai, part of the United Arab Emirates. IMG Worlds of Adventure is located within the city of Arabia and can be found off the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. It's Dubai's largest indoor entertainment destination with 5 worlds to explore, including Marvel and Cartoon Network, to name a few of the most known brands.
We've got our tickets ready to go in. Strange thing has just happened though, we've had our tripod confiscated.
The mini one,
the mini
not extendable, anything, they've taken it away.
How dare they?
How naughty.
Have a nice evening.
Perfect, thank you. So this is really interesting. Got like, it's all set up for Halloween, all a bit spooky.
Spooky time.
Yeah, just picked up a park map as well. They actually have park maps here, which is interesting. Someone's singing, don't know what's going on. They've got a live stage set up here, so live artist. It's actually a mummy. It's a mummy singing on the stage.
There's a party going on right here.
So here's a map of the park. So I've entered in through here. We've got to about here, I think, just in this section, Cartoon Network. And we might go, first of all, to do the roller coaster. So there's one up here, the Forbidden Territory. I think that's an indoor roller coaster type thing. And then there's the Velociraptor. And then there's also another roller coaster here. And then there's the Marvel area, which has, I think there's a few kind of 3D rides. So we'll see. I don't know how much we're going to be able to film on the rides. Probably not a lot, but we shall see. Wow, it's a bit crazy. Wow. It's mad that this is all inside. And right on the front. So that ride was interesting, to say the least.
There were dinosaurs, there was an upturned Jeep. What can I say, really?
Yeah.
I don't really know what the concept was. I think it's that you were in there with the dinosaurs, and that was it.
That was it. Yeah, that was the storyline. Yeah, I don't think there was much of one, to be honest. Just using screens and animatronics.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It was alright.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So there's Adventure Fortress over there, but I think that isn't for us. I think that is just a kiddie playground. So I'm not going to pan down, but yeah, they're having a lot of fun in there. So this is a way to Velociraptor, the roller coaster that goes outside. This is already feeling way busier than most games and Bollywood parks as well. There seems to be a lot of people here today, and it is the weekend, so it is to be expected. Got a bit of theming in the queue here. So if you're going through the jungle, big queue. And no queues, that's good. When I was seeing all the people, I was expecting that there'd be a bit more of a queue, but no, really not. As we go through this way. So that ride, oh my goodness. How good was that?
Really good, and it's not got full on over the top restraint, it's got like a new restraint.
Just a lap bar.
A lap bar. Well, it's more than a lap bar, it's like full on.
Yeah, you're in like a bucket type seat.
But it goes upside down several times.
Oh my goodness. That was thrilling.
I screamed my head off, but it was very good.
It was very, very good. Becky, how did you enjoy that ride?
That was something else. I don't like vertical lift hills.
Yeah.
So like if you know Rip Ride Rocket, Smiler, don't like them. I'll go on them, but I just hate them. I hate them more than the actual ride. I hate them.
You hate the concept of them.
I just hate going up like that. And I'm terrified, and then it's a relief to go over the edge.
Yeah. You like went over the edge and you're like, ah! And you're like, oh. That was it. It was really good.
My hair is crazy.
Yeah, crazy hair. But that was,
Also,
it was quite jerky.
I let out a little mini swear, and the person next to me thought it was hilarious. I think they thought I was Ron Weasley because I went, bloody hell.
But it jerks you about, doesn't it, that ride? Feel like a bit like, if anything, it feels like Indiana Jones in terms of like jerkiness. But they run so smooth and they're so quiet, these roller coasters.
Yeah, they're quiet, smooth. The only thing is, when you've got a harness here, you do hit your ears.
Yeah.
And that's the only thing I can
Well,
with that one.
I was hitting my neck.
Yeah, well, there's a height difference here.
There is. If I'm standing up, Becky can't get in frame. There's an Avengers flat ride here. What is it? Quinjets. Flying around in the little Quinjet. So Avengers Battle of Ultron having technical issues, so we can't do that one.
Spaceships was good.
Spaceships was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. We're gonna carry on the Marvel theme. There's a Spider-Man ride. That's the roller coaster track. Yeah. I think it spins. I think it's like a spinny ride. Yeah. But it's like a train. It's not like you're on your own spinny, like that one at Motion Gate. What was that one?
Really? Well, it's like a train in the spin.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So we'll see how this one goes. The entrance for that one's right between buildings. So let's give it a go. It does have a very Islands of Adventure feel, especially even the way you go into the building. There he is, Spidey in the gift shop after that ride. It's quite a nice themed shop, this. Oh, I was going to go out there then, but no, that's not in use. They make you walk through. What can you buy? He's just chilling. Done a photo of Hulkster. Your hair? What did Spider-Man do to your hair? Now, is there anyone who's watching that remembers what Ramesses' Revenge was? This is it. So, Ramesses' Revenge was a ride at, was it Chessington? Chessington World of Adventures, and now they've got one in IMG Worlds of Adventures. So yeah, it's pretty much, yeah, and Loki over there. And I think this is like some kind of battle, and it spins round and sprays water in your face and does all kinds of fun stuff. I'm not going on this, no way. They've also got a few places to eat within Marvel superhero land, or whatever they're calling it here. There's Chang's, which is like a Chinese, I think it was a buffet. Pretty sure they had stuff out as like a buffet. And then there's also an Italian, like pizza, pasta place just here as well. It does have that Universal feel because they're using the comic book characters rather than the characters from the film, so they only have clearly the rights to use the comic book characters. So leaving Marvel now and heading over the way. Might check out the Cartoon Network land. There's one ride that you wanted to go on, wasn't there?
Yeah, the one that goes above really nice and slow.
Yeah. So this is the ride that we were talking about that Becky wanted to go on. It does look fun. No one's on it.
Don't mention it. What's up? So, I'm gonna send you guys with Finn.
Finally on this ride. It's taken us about 45 minutes all in all.
Hey, Tree Trunks!
Let's watch it.
Tree Trunks, do not take Ice King and apple pie. We can have our own party. It'll be totally fulfilled. Jake, where are we? This is real space! Whoa! Algebraic! Making pancakes, mix and bake it, then I'll put it in a pancake. I play a giant pipe organ that shoots rockets. Or even one where there's a show about how awesome we are. Oh, here's the Ice King!
Oh my goodness. That was long. That was a long wait. Oh, we've got to go down the stairs. Down the stairs. Oh, goodness me. It was cool though. It was cool to look down and see all the different things. Again, I didn't understand what the story was doing. Did you understand the story at all?
No, I've never watched it.
No. We're rescuing a princess, apparently. I got that much. Yeah. Oh, it was good though. I liked looking down.
The aerial adventure.
The aerial adventure aspect was good, yeah. This is Lazy Town. Remember this TV program being on years and years ago? Is it still a thing? Do people still watch Lazy Town?
No.
I have no idea. I watched it, but I don't know whether it's still a thing. No.
Maybe.
So all the restaurants are still open. It's nearly 9 o'clock. They're still all running, which is cool. If you're hungry, if you're peckish, you've spent the whole day here, fancy to buy it.
When it opens.
That's true, yeah. Got these like smoke effects going on out here as we leave IMG. So we are just leaving IMG Worlds of Adventure now. I've had a great afternoon.
I have actually.
Yeah.
We've ridden everything that was open and that we wanted to ride.
Yeah.
Once, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
And we've been here like from 5 to 9, so about 4 hours.
Yeah.
So, because the queues weren't too bad apart from for that last ride, which was mental. But all in all, I've had quite a fun time. The roller coasters are really good. The outside roller coaster is really good here.
Yeah, they're definitely more thrilling than the ones at Motion Gate. We will say that. However, I think Motion Gate still edges it for me.
Oh, it's definitely the winner.
Yeah.
If you had to choose between the two, I would definitely do Motion Gate. However, if you've got the iVenture card like we have, then we'd just recommend to come in just for a few hours just to check it out and see what's here really.
And that's what we were doing. We would just come in just to check it out, just to see what was here, and you never know, we may be back. And so if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up.
And if you're not subscribed already, then please subscribe to our channel.
And we shall see you on the next one.
Bye.
Say goodbye, pumpkins.
Bye.
Oh, there's a little pumpkin in there.